Hey developers, welcome to Code Connect. So in the previous video, we have seen about what is Golang. We have compared Golang with other programming languages like C++ and Python and found that Golang has fast runtime and compile time as compared to other languages. We have also seen that Golang supports concurrency using Go routines and channels. We also see that Golang does not support classes, so Golang is not an object-oriented programming language, and it is a statistically typed language. It is used to create high-performance applications like Kubernetes, Docker, and we have also seen that its syntax is similar to C++. So in this video, we will look at the Golang syntax and structures. We will see the role of packages and imports, and we will also see essential elements present in Golang like variables, constants and data types. So let's start with the role of packages and imports. So in Golang, every program is organized into packages. So every function which you create or every part of the program which you have write, it should be written in packages. And later those packages can be interlinked with one another. So now what is a package? A package is a collection of related Go files. So let's suppose you have created multiple files, and in that you have assigned the package main. So like all those files will be considered as a single package. Now the question is how you will be name that file package. Like how will you will name that file? So in order to do that, Golang provides a keyword called package, and after that keyword we have to write the name of the package. So here in the snippet you have which you are seeing, we have created a package with the name of main, and we will have to also see that the main package is the entry point of the program. So like if you have written a program in Golang, then you must have this package main in order to run your program. If you have not declared a package main, then you will not be able to run your program. So and also in that package we should must create the function main, because this is the entry point function. So as it is mentioned here, main function is required. Now in this program, apart from these things, we are also seeing that we are importing something. Now what is this? What is FMT? So FMT is a package which is present in Golang standard library. It allows us to format and print text. So as I have already said that we can interlink packages with one another. Like we can import packages and we can also export packages. So like this is the things which we require in order to write a program. So first one is the package, second one is the functions, and we can import some packages here, and after importing those packages we can use the functions present in those packages. So let's if you see here, we are calling println function of the FMT package, which help us to like print text and also like provide a new line. So later we will be seeing about all these packages, how what are their functionalities and what functions are present in them. So you don't have to worry. Now let's dive into VS Code and we will create our program. So let's create our first Golang program. So before creating Golang program, make sure that Golang is installed in your system. So for checking that, just run this command go version, and if you are able to see the version, then that means that Golang is installed in your system. Now if you remember that we have seen that two things are required for running a Go program. First one is the package main and second one is the function main. So let's create a file with the name of main. So let's, and for Golang file we have to specify the .go extension. So let's create and let's assign the package main to this file, and also create a function main. Now in order to print something, we have to import a package, and in Golang FMT package is the package which allows us to print and format text. So let's call the function of that package. fmt dot. So now this package provides three functions. First one is the print, second one is the printf, and third one is the println. And we will be seeing these functions later in our videos. Now, for now, let's call this println function, and in this, let us print first Go program. And if you see that as soon as I press Command S, Golang automatically imports this package. So Golang finds in the file the packages which are used and are not imported, and it automatically imports those packages for us. Now, in order to run this program, so like as we have already seen that Golang is a compiled language as well, and so let's compile it. So in order to compile it, we have to run this command go build main.go. So if you see, once the file is compiled, it creates an executable file. So if you see that at the time of the compilation, that time is called the compilation time, and when we run this this executable file, then that will be called as runtime. So we need to run this executable file. So now we can run using this /main, and if you will be seeing that it successfully printed first Go program. So this is the first way of running a program. We can also run this program directly using go run main.go. So you can see like we are getting the same result. So basically this command what's do, it compile and execute our executable files both at the same time. While with the first command it only like compile it, and we have to do the second step as well, like we have to run the executable file. So this is how we can run our first Go program, and it's easy. Thank you.